Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Now you need to scroll down, and at the bottom right here we have version. Here is your current version, so you can check it here, or you can tap at this line and check your current version right here at the top. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!